I got a bit carried away and forgot to film a lot of the detail on this X2, so I'll pop around and show you what I've done. Okay, the paintwork has had 2-stage machine polish, so our major enhancement detail is a heavy cut and then refine to bring all the swells out, all the gloss. Pillars looking a lot sharper. Then back along the driver's side, we are looking good. The owner supplied a touch-up kit, so I went around, coloured in all the little bits of paint that are missing. There's one right here as well. Basically every panel has a chip or a scratch that needed touching in. And then the paintwork has been protected with Wax Shine PPS Pro. It's a 9H 5-year base coat and top coat, super hydrophobic top coating. The wheels have been refurbished in a nice sparkly black. Locking nut, centre cap, valve, all in a row. And then these have been coated inside and out. Focus. Wax Shine wheel. Then all the exterior glass has been decontaminated, polished, coated, making it nice and safe to drive in the rain. And then that is the BMW finished. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Maybe give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll leave you with some after pitch.